Salam, hello, my name is Rick Lambrov, representative for Taheri Exchange, currency strategist, and I wanted to talk about this week wrap-up as pertaining to last week's information. What we saw, again, continual theme, European crisis, continues into the market. As you can see, the markets have reacted heavily from that. And being that said, you're looking at a current situation that's happening this weekend, the G8 summit meeting that is talking about how are we going to resolve this Greece issue. Not only Greece, we're talking about Spain and the downgrades of their banks. It has a huge impact on the euro itself, and for the US dollar, even worse situation. For the US dollar, meaning as in US sellers, benefit. For buyers, a worse situation. And the reason for that is because right now a lot of investors have shown that they're really concerned what's going on with Europe, and what the Greek investors have done, or the Greek citizens have done, is they flocked to their banks and have done a bank run, basically trying to take all their euros out. And the Greek government right now, the current Greek government, is stating that they do not want to have austerity measures. And now Germany, going to G8, is trying to, with Canada and the United States, are trying to convince that Greece should stay in the euro, but contingency plans are being set up for Greece to be out of euro and preparing for that. This could be a domino effect. This could be an interesting effect on the whole situation this summer, put aside with or tagging along with the Middle East tensions and with the US default payment possibly. So for all of our Persian clients out there, if you didn't sell your US dollars, you probably had a good time this week to sell. We were in the US Canadian range today. We were in the 102 range. You would have got, a very good 101 range, meaning 1 for 1, a little more for that. And that started on Monday onto Wednesday. Wednesday, more so Tuesday, the Fed talked about possibly stimulating the economy more by injecting more stimulus money, which caused a strength for precious metals. Gold and silver strengthened, but during that whole time it did weaken. And again, today we saw that again. So for precious metal buyers, again, great buying opportunities. You haven't missed out. And for US dollar sellers, great selling opportunities. I highly stress that when we reach these particular levels, especially on US Canadian, it's a really good time to sell. If you're reaching 102 and the next level key resistance is 102.75, right now we are in the 102.34 range. The US Canadian was hovering between 99.50 or 98.50 to about 1.0050. We've broken those levels now. Now we're in higher levels. So for sellers, you're really benefiting. And all I can tell you is that, keep on watching the markets. You want to speak to people like myself at Taheri Exchange. We're always there to help you out. And for US sellers, great time to sell. Looking on to next week, European theme continues. US macroeconomic news continues. Whether it's good or bad, markets are very sensitive. So hold on to your seats. We're having a very fun summer coming up.